how to use filters on Instagram Reels. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use filters effects on Instagram Reels. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, here first of all, make sure to update your Instagram from Play Store or App Store. So after updating your Instagram, let me just get inside the Instagram and then let me just get here. So this is my official Instagram account. You can follow me and you can ask for any queries. So here what you need to do, here you have to click on this bottom right corner, and here you will find an option plus icon on the top. So simply tap here and here you will find the option for Reels. So to add the effects or filter, what you need to do on your Reels video, you have to just click on this effect option here. You can see this is the one. Let me just focus this ones. This is the one you can see here. This is the one. Simply tap here and then here you'll find lots of effects. Here you can see. So guys, if you want to use more filters, then what you need to do here, I'm going to show you in this video. You just need to click here on the name of the filter, any filter, click on this browser effect, and then here you can search for every effect on the search bar. Here you can just click and search for anything. Let me just go for red light, and here let me just show you, will find lots of filter. So in this way you can use the filter on your Reels video. If you like the video and if you want to support to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.